Once our customers start using Asset Vision to interrogate and gather information from their data center estate, one of the areas that they really want to dig into is their SQL Server usage. We cover this in really three levels is the way I like to talk about it. There's starting off with a simple discovery. Where do I have Microsoft SQL installed? Which editions am I using? How does the hardware look? Is it on virtualized hardware? What's the guest to host relationship? How many cores am I running? All of this is crucial for SAM type activities. Once we've moved beyond that, we can go down to inventory, at which point we're gathering information on number of databases, the number of tables that are out there, the size of the databases, the type of information that will let us start building up a service catalog inside our organization. We then also have the ability to move down to a utilization level. What we're doing at this point is running some trace activity directly on targeted databases, and we can see the number of connections that are going to be made to it, who's making those connections, the amount of data that's flowing backwards and forwards. This is something that we've used extensively in the past to address the slightly anomalous idea of SQL ghost towns, where we've got large amounts of expensive SQL running inside a data center. Nobody's quite sure what it's doing. Nobody quite wants to turn it off either, because they don't want to be the person who pulls the plug on something that's directly in use. Gathering this type of intelligence allows you to analyze very quickly, take those decisions, and save that money.